since I was with Zach and all that, so I thought, let's do a toy review on, I don't have all my other stuff. I don't really got that because I've reviewed it already in the past. But, as you see, I have SummerSlam Basic Roman Reigns. I have Braun Strowman. I don't really know who these are from because I don't really know SummerSlam and all this, but yeah, because I got both of these two. Braun Strowman, he's probably a basic, and Dean Ambrose is probably a basic too because they look basic. They don't look like elites or SummerSlam elites or WrestleMania elites, but but I don't know. I'll have to ask Zach, and I'll have to ask Zach because he gave me these. And yeah, I was gonna review them. I was just gonna review them. As you saw, I reviewed after I reviewed Eric Rowan and all them. I got rid of them so I could get good figures. I just think these are good figures, but sooner or later, in the future, I may like save up figures and then put them on YouTube, like, and do unboxings. I may start doing unboxings, but yeah, and that's all I got for you today. So make sure to make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. 2 things to do. Subscribe.